ban, so the federal government can enforce it if the Chinese-based company doesn't sell to a U.S. owner.
Fox 10's Lauren Clark, our resident lawyer, on top of this for us. Lauren, can people actually expect TikTok to go away this weekend?
Yeah, you know, that is the question on so many people's mind. What's going to happen this weekend? Is it going to disappear? Well, the answer is that's very unlikely. While time is running out on TikTok, it's also running out on President Biden's term. His last day in office is Sunday, and he's signaled that he will not enforce it with the hours he could have left. So that means that decision could lie with President Trump, whose previous administration shared concerns about the app, but he has recently hinted at support of trying to find a way to keep it around. But as of right now, there might be running out time for the app. Today, the U.S. Supreme Court upheld the Supreme Court government's right to ban the app, which has more than 170 million American users, starting on Sunday. Now, the unanimous decision opened the door for the superstar social media company to soon be unavailable in U.S. app stores. This means new users would be prevented from downloading the Beijing-based platform. While existing users could still use the app, it would eventually be rendered useless without any technical support or updates. Now, the main concern is national security, especially the type of data that can be gleaned, like users' contacts and even geolocation. TikTok's attorneys argued the law would violate free expression, but it was an argument the justices found unpersuasive, explains Paul Coble. He's an intellectual property attorney at Rose Law Group.
Understandably, there is a large impact on shutting down an avenue of expression, especially one as substantial as TikTok is. Ultimately, though, I think the justices were focused on the nature of the data and the national security concerns, as well as the fact that this is not a permanent injunction against TikTok. In fact, TikTok has avenues to reopen its doors by divesting to an entity that is not subject to the Chinese national security laws.
Now, Coble also said this case could be monumental in the fact that it's the most prominent and biggest example of the United States protecting consumer data, which might signal a change in the future. We'll have more about this coming up at Fox 10 at 6. Reporting live here, Lauren Clark, Fox 10 News.
Okay, Lauren, thanks. Israel's security